Hi, my name is Edwin Edwards and I work at IBERS at Aberystwyth University in Wales. And I'm really delighted and honoured to accept the third prize in the Microbiome Awards. The news just came in on the final day of a 3.5 month stint working on the Greenland ice sheet in Svalbard, in Arctic Sweden, and then in the Austrian Alps, where we've been doing fieldwork, which is now becoming part of the sequencing effort that the Microbiome Award will support, and where we're looking at microbial diversity and dynamics in the surface of these different ice masses. The surfaces of Earth's glaciers and ice sheets, of which there are 198,000 glaciers, 3 big ice sheets, and they hold back about 70% of Earth's fresh water supplies, are microbial habitat. And not just that, but the microbial processes going on in the surface affect the mass balance of those ice masses. So in other words, if you have more microbes, the ice gets darker and it melts faster. So understanding how microbes live in these environments is crucial to understanding how these ice masses will respond to climate change and how quickly they will melt away and potentially raise sea levels. It's a very new perspective on how glaciers and ice sheets work.